This morning, our teams have been surveying damage across the area in the last 90 minutes or so. Reporter Micah Hatfield tweeted out this video. A trampoline got blown out of someone's yard in the Sunrise Lakes neighborhood in Pearland. She is live in our storm tracker truck with a look at the damage. Micah?
Hey, good morning, Erica. We have been all over the place this morning. Most recently, we were in LaPorte. We got word that there were power outages, dozens of people without power. The CenterPoint Energy map said it was not supposed to be restored until 12:30, but the good news is in the few minutes that we spent there, the power was back on. It was restored to traffic lights, homes, and businesses. We were in Pearland before that. I want to show you some of this damage that we saw. Take a look at this first video. It shows a trampoline that blew out of someone's yard across the street and got mangled up in a tree. Obviously, it shows that the winds were pretty high out there earlier this morning. But there was Pearland police were out there. They were trying to get it untangled and out of the roadway. But there's going to be a lot of people looking for their things in Pearland this morning in the Sunrise Lake neighborhood. We saw inner tubes that looked like it belonged in someone's pool blown out into the street. A lot of things blown into places that they shouldn't be. Take a look at this next video. We saw fences blown over, parts of the fences laying in the street. We saw trees that had broken in half. Fortunately, none had fallen on homes that we saw, so it didn't seem like there was any damage that would have caused an injury to someone. But it did still scare people, and they are still going to have to do some repairs to their homes, those fences. We also spoke to someone who had his windows blown out. I want you to hear from him.
It's shocking for me. I thought, like tornado hit some areas a couple weeks ago, about a week or so ago. So I thought that's what was happening here, because my house seemed like it was going to lift off the foundation.
And now we are near the Sam Houston Parkway and Fairmont Parkway. We got word that there was some high water in this area. We are out looking for that, and we'll bring you the latest as soon as we find it and tell you the roads that you need to avoid. In Southeast Houston, Micah Hatfield, ABC 13 Eyewitness News.
Micah, thanks. And take a look what Micah and her photographer were able to capture this morning. That lightning bolt over Pearland. This was around 4:30 this morning. You can see our storm tracker down the road just a bit when that lightning bolt came straight down. We slowed it down here a bit so you can see exactly what a powerful blast that looked to be. Well, we've been in Fort Bend County too this morning. This is video from around 3:15 in the Richmond area. This is Highway 59 near the Grand Parkway. It was a leading edge just as it moved east, triggering those thunderstorm warnings.
And because of the weather, Fort Bend County decided to close testing sites today. Fort Bend County Judge K.P. George says the testing sites will reopen at the earliest convenience after the storm passes. Everyone that has appointments scheduled for today will be contacted to reschedule their appointments. In Harris County, they'll be closing testing sites today as well. The county plans to open test sites in Katy and Baytown tomorrow. If you have a code, come back to get your test on Sunday. Mobile testing will start back up on Monday.
And the weather continues to affect our weekend plans, of course. Food distribution events that were set to happen today at NRG Stadium have been moved to Monday because of the weather. HISD hosting the event. It's happening from 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. The food will be given out in the yellow lot.
This morning's rounds of storms come after several areas, especially Kemah, got hit hard by flash flooding. Check out Crazy Allen's Swamp Shack right by the Kemah Marina. Our cameras were there yesterday for the aftermath. The restaurant owner says the first floor flooded out in about 30 minutes. The kitchen and bar areas are raised inside, so we're not impacted.
It happens probably anywhere from 2 to 3 times a year. Anytime we have a major storm and the equipment the city manages, the pumping station over here, if it doesn't work, then this is what happens.
Allen says the water actually came up from the drainage systems nearby. He says it will take a day or two to dry up and clean out. Well, today's storms come as some people already dealing with high water in their homes from yesterday. Take a look at the scene in Pasadena at an apartment complex off of South Shaver near Edgebrook. They saw 60 to 80 units with 1 to 2 inches of water inside. Some people also lost power. Residents tell us this happens a lot.
We tell them if they can give us something to protect our home to not to get water. We try get people to help us too.
You can see some residents even tried using sandbags at one point to stop the water.
Yesterday afternoon, several inches of rain fell in the Pasadena area, and that led to high water in many neighborhoods, including this apartment complex on South Shaver. Residents say water quickly flooded into their homes, causing a mess inside. Also in Pasadena, you can see this guy using a kayak to paddle across the flooded street. This is near Preston and Spencer Highway. A reminder, it's a good time to download our ABC13 News app when weather hits your area. If power goes out, you'll be able to watch us straight from that app.
And again, what a busy stretch we had, but thankfully the activity's all gone and out of the area. And the heaviest rainfall really came from the strong storms last night. So let's go back over radar and show you the main squall lines now in the Gulf of Mexico, the leading edge out ahead of what we call the mesoscale convective vortex. It just means a big upper level, mid-level spin. You can see the leading edge now approaching Louisiana, and there's a tornado warning now east of Beaumont, well east of us. Thank goodness it came through and it wasn't nearly that pronounced here through southeast Texas. And now the line's well into the Gulf of Mexico. All right, the heaviest rainfall did fall in southeast parts of Harris County, down towards coastal parts of Harris County and inland Galveston County. Again, 5 to 6 inches in spots. Sugar Land, you saw quite a bit briefly there too. What happened though? Those storms from last night undercut the squall line as it approached, so it weakened it. I thought this might happen, so they had to cancel the thunderstorm watch and flash flood watch. It weakened as it moved through southeast Texas. The environment was too stable, too much cool air. So future track has activity clearing. We may see some wraparound banding, which means a few isolated pop showers or rumbles of thunder midday to late in the evening tonight. But the chances of that are pretty minimal. So hit and miss, and they wouldn't be much because we've lost a lot of instability. And take a look tomorrow. Still can't rule out a stray rain chance here and there, but again, it wouldn't be much either. Here's another version of future track. I think it does a great job. That's more like what we'll see. A stray shower or rumble of thunder this evening. And tomorrow, I think chances are actually going down. I'll probably drop those chances. So stay tuned for the latest on that. But I have 40% for today, 40% for tomorrow, probably going to become 30%. 86 on Monday, warming up. But again, plenty of sun. And after these 2 days, we'll see rain chances go down. Alita was tracking the rainfall totals as well again this morning, thankfully a lot lower after the strong storms last night. And future track, that rain cast we saw this morning, Alita, did a pretty good job.
Yeah, pretty good job keeping everybody less than an inch in rain. And I think some additional rainfall can't be ruled out. Light and steady, nothing that's going to create any more flooding across the area. And looking at the bayous and creeks, looking great. I know yesterday the Armand Bayou on the southeast side had some water issues, some rapid rises there. But as far as our watersheds, looking fantastic this morning. So over the next couple of hours, again, you're going to be encountering just some steady light to moderate rain showers. But for the most part, it looks like the roads that may have been inundated with water yesterday, the storm drainage systems are going to do its job, let the waters recede, and we're just going to be dealing with the light rain for the remainder of the day.